5 years ago, we were stupid short for retirement, and I had absolutely no knowledge of how to make money online. Now, fast forward to today, I've created multiple streams of income, and it has completely changed our financial future. I went from feeling stuck and worried about retiring to building a flexible income that lets me live life on my own terms. In fact, just this past weekend, while I was here at this cottage with this beautiful view at the lake, I earned over $5,400, all thanks to systems and income streams that I've built over the last year. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact income streams that I built, how much money they bring in with proof, and how you can start creating your own, even if you're starting late in the game like I was. Like, I break down what's truly passive, what takes a little bit more effort, and how long it actually took me to start seeing these results. So buckle in. If you're sitting there wondering, is it too late for you? Let me tell you right now, it's not. Now, I didn't start building this until I was in my 50s, and if I can do it, so can you. And if we haven't yet met, my name's Wendy. I'm a 56-year-old glammy from Ontario, Canada. I help fellow midlifers to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind, hello to freedom, flip-flops, and campfires by building flexible income streams online. Before we jump in, if you want the exact roadmap that I personally use to build these income streams, then you want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. The link is in the description below. It'll walk you step by step through how I got started. So let's talk about first YouTube. Now, whether you already have something to promote or you're brand new and just want to start your online journey, YouTube is the absolute best program to begin with. Now, here's why. YouTube is the single best platform for driving traffic to your business or for starting a business and building an audience that's already interested in what you're creating. So unlike social media, short form videos where your content disappears in like a day or two, YouTube videos live forever. They're called evergreen. So they keep showing up in search results and suggested videos long after you post them. That means that one video that you filmed today can still be bringing you in views, subscribers, and even sales from years from now. So if you're brand new, this is the perfect starting point. You don't need a huge following. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need to start. And once you do, YouTube can become the foundation that all your other income streams grow from. Now, here's exactly how YouTube pays me. All right. So I have on my videos, I talk about digital programs and products that I make money by sharing these programs and digital products that I use and recommend in my videos. When somebody sees it and they decide it's a good fit for them, then they can sign up and I earn. That's thousands of dollars a month just from connecting people to products that they're looking for. Now, YouTube is also how I generate affiliate income. Since February of 2024, I've been using a program or system called System.io to run my entire business, like the funnels, emails, and automations, all of it. And I recommend it often because it's the exact system that I use. It has a free option for beginners, which I love. And then when somebody signs up through my link, and then eventually they get to the part where they want to pay for the plan, then I start earning reoccurring commissions. But it doesn't stop there. You can recommend anything that makes sense for your channel. So if you're using editing software, physical products like cameras, microphones from Amazon, these are all products that tie into your video topic. For example, like if I'm teaching YouTube strategy, I can link the exact mic that I'm using or editing software that I use. And if I'm sharing my favorite business books, then I can connect viewers straight to them on Amazon. The possibilities are endless. And YouTube makes it so easy to plug those affiliate links right into your video description, like right below. And finally, YouTube itself pays me through AdSense. Now that's when advertisers run ads on my videos. I get a percentage of what they spend. So like, check this out. So for me, this has added up to thousands of dollars in extra income. That's another income stream for me. And it's completely passive once the video is out there. Now, it took me about 2.5 months to get monetized on YouTube, but my videos were already getting me leads for my digital business almost right away. Now, here's the passive side. Once a video is filmed and it's uploaded, it works for you 24/7. People can find it in search results or suggested videos months and even years later. So that means a video is made months ago can still be generating leads, sales, and affiliate income for you and AdSense revenue without me touching it again. That's the beautiful thing. So here's how much effort it takes. Now, YouTube does take some consistent work up front. You have to write your scripts, do the filming, editing, and learning how to do titles and thumbnails. And that all plays a role in getting views. And in the beginning, you're putting a lot more effort out without immediate payoff. But once the snowball starts to roll, your channel builds momentum and the results compound. That is why I call YouTube the foundation. It doesn't just give me one income stream, it branches into multiple ways to get paid, all while building an audience that knows you, that gets to like you, and then they trust you. If you want to learn exactly how to grow a YouTube channel yourself, then you're going to want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. It is in the link below. Now, this is the exact strategy that I used to grow my channel, get it monetized, and it'll help you do the same thing. So once you've built an audience on YouTube, the next natural step is having something of your own to offer, like a digital product or a program. Okay, so let's talk about the digital products or programs. This is one of the smartest income streams that you can build because digital products don't run out of stock. They don't require shipping, and once you've created them, they can be sold again and again. So when I first started online, the thought of creating my own product from scratch kind of felt a little overwhelming. Like, what? I didn't even know what I would do or teach, how to package it, or how to even set it up. So what changed everything for me was finding a done-for-you program that didn't just teach me digital marketing, it also gave me the resale rights, and that meant I could learn while I earned, which was amazing. And let me tell you, this stream has been life-changing. I've had months where I've brought in over 6 figures in a single month, just from selling digital programs. Now that still blows my mind, especially since 5 years ago, I didn't even know this world existed. So check out my income from August. This is just from digital products, my friend. Now, as my confidence grew, then I started creating my own digital products too. Things like, I created a branding PDF to help people get clear on who they are. And that's generated me this kind of sales. Then I started with my superpower content strategy to help people create authentic content that connects in short form video. And eventually all of that led me to opening my own monthly paid membership in my community called the Freedom Builders Club. Now with the Done For You program, I was able to start earning money within my first 2 weeks of starting. And I didn't get brave enough, like I said, to start creating my own product until months and months later. But when I finally did, I was able to monetize that quite quickly. So here's how it breaks down. The passive side, so once a digital product is created or you're reselling one that's already done for you, it can sell on repeat without you lifting another finger, really. I've had sales come in here while I'm at the cottage. So that is the power of having, a passive income that works for you. Now the effort side, the work is mostly up front. You need to set up your funnel, create or customize your product, and promote it through your content. But once it's built, it runs with very little maintenance. It just update here and there as you grow. Okay, now this next income stream is something that you can add on to anything. You can start doing online no matter what niche you're in and no matter what kind of business that you're building. Affiliate income is one of the simplest, smartest ways to layer additional income streams. I like to think of it as fluid income because it flows right alongside whatever it is that you're already doing. I personally have multiple different affiliate links that open up a variety of income streams for me. For example, there's systems, tools that help people run their own business. There's digital products or services that I already use myself, physical products, and the truth is 80 to 90% of items out there these days have affiliate programs attached to them. And here's why. Because companies know online marketing through everyday people like you and me is one of the best ways that they can spend their advertising dollars. Instead of paying big TV ads, they reward creators and marketers who share products authentically. In return, we get a share of that profit through affiliate income. Now, I received results almost instantly from some affiliate links, while others grew more slowly. But because I was already building my audience and my email list, affiliate sales started stacking quite quickly. Now, once your content is live with affiliate links, whether that's a YouTube video, a blog, or even a free guide, it keeps working for you in the background, right? I still get affiliate sales from videos I uploaded months and months ago. So the effort here is connecting and finding the affiliate links that you want to use, then getting them set up inside a PDF, your emails, your marketing videos, wherever you choose to promote them. So once they're in place, those links keep working for you day after day after day. So affiliate income is one of my favorite streams because it's flexible, fluid, and fits seamlessly with anything that you're building online. So if you're like me and you want to see how to tie this all together, I run a free class that shows you exactly how to set up your own online business from scratch. You'll learn how to start layering in these income streams the same way I did. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. And once you've got people following you, the best way to deepen those relationships and to create stable, reoccurring income is with a membership. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about next. This one is really kind of close to my heart because it's more than just income. It's about creating a community. Now, I host my membership on a platform called Skool. And I absolutely love it because it's simple, affordable, and effective. You can get started for as little as $9 a month, which makes it one of the easiest ways to create a reoccurring revenue. So like inside my membership, for example, the Freedom Builders Club, I bring people together who are learning digital marketing and building income streams of their own. So like my members get access to my superpower content strategy that helps people create authentic, engaging content, step-by-step digital product creation training, ongoing resources, live Q&A calls, and tons of community supports. Like I also teach members how to create their own digital product if that's the route that they want to take. Also, creating their own freebie, how important that is. And here's the best part I love most about my community is it's also an affiliate community. So remember, in the last section, we talked about affiliate income. This is the perfect example of that in action. So when members share the Freedom Builders Club with others, they earn 50% commissions. So not only are they learning and growing in their business, but they're also can use this exact program that they're a part of to generate affiliate income in the same time. So it's a total win-win with a membership. Now, I honestly wish I started this sooner, but when I finally opened my community this year, I had instant results because they'd already built momentum in my business. And here's the real magic. With a membership, you can start creating reoccurring monthly income. And this is what mine looks like coming in like every single month. You already have monthly bills, so why not build monthly reoccurring income to cover those bills? Like a membership and a community is the perfect way to do that. Now, there are so many different ways to run a community, and I share exactly how inside my Freedom Builders Club. So memberships create reoccurring income every single month. My community brings in revenue that continues to grow as more members join and they stay, and that creates passive income. So memberships aren't totally hands-off though. They do take a bit of effort. So you need to show up, you need to be on the Q&A calls and do trainings and interaction inside the group. But honestly, a lot of the magic comes from the members themselves. Like they support each other, they celebrate wins, and they keep the community alive. And it's a really exciting place to be. So if you'd like to try Skool out for yourself or just check out what a membership would look like or a community, I offer a 14-day free trial. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can check it out and see if it's a good fit for your business. And finally, another stream that's opening up for me right now is called brand deals. So the very last income stream I want to share is about brand deals. Now this one is pretty exciting because I haven't fully leaned into it yet, but it's already like knocking on my door. So as my YouTube channel has grown, I've had brands like literally emailing me every single day. They see the audience, the engagement, and the trust that I've built, and they want to partner with me. So I haven't said yes to any of them yet because I'm really picky. I only promote products that I truly believe in and would use myself, but the opportunities are there and they're only going to grow. So this is how brand deals work. A company pays you to mention or feature their product in one of your YouTube videos. That might be a 30-second shout out, a quick tutorial, even a full integration. And the income potential is huge. So even small creators can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars for a single sponsored video, and larger channels often bring in so much more. So here's the passive side. So brand deals aren't truly passive. You usually get paid once and that's it. Now the brand gets the real leverage because your video lives on and it continues to get views long after the deal is done, right? That's why I'm being really intentional about how I approach brand sponsorships. I don't want to just jump in blindly. There's definitely a strategy to making sure the deals work for you, not just for the brands. So the setup is where some of the work comes in, like negotiating the deals, working out the contract, and making sure that the content aligns with your brand and your audience. It's not completely hands-off, but the payoff can make it worth every email and Zoom call. So for me, brand deals are the next natural step. So with the audience and trust I built through my YouTube channel and my digital products and affiliate income and my memberships, brand partnerships will simply add another strong layer of income when the timing is right for me. So there you have it. These are the income streams that I've built completely that's changed our financial future. And that one I'm going to be adding soon. So like there's YouTube, digital products, affiliate income, memberships, and soon I'll be adding brand deals. Now this didn't happen overnight. Each stream took some learning, some showing up, some patience, but layered together, they've given me freedom that I used to only dream about. Now, 5 years ago, we were stupid short for retirement. I had absolutely no clue how to make money online. And today, thanks to these income streams combined, I've made over $1 million online. Like, pow. And here's the best part. Now, I'll never forget. It all started with a course that I took back in February of 2024. That one course not only taught me the skills I needed, but it also gave me the rights to resell the exact program that I continue to learn from today. That's how I went from having no clue to creating an online income that changed my life. Now, if I can do this in my 50s with zero online experience, so can you. That's why I created my Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, inside, I show you exactly how I got started, step by step, so you can begin building your own income stream, even if you're starting late like I was. So grab your copy for free in the description below and let's get you started on your own freedom journey, because it's never too late to build a business that you love and create the freedom that you deserve. So now that you know how to work and earn from literally anywhere, you want to watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how I got started and retired at 55 using just one simple strategy. And when you combine what I just taught you in this video, you'll realize how you can do it too. See you in the next video.